This is the BK Mueller 889-557 stem assembly. Now this stem fits several different BK Mueller and Proline faucets. And taking a closer look at it, we'll start from this end and work our way down. Right here at the top, we'll see this little set of O-rings here. And then we've got this big brass cartridge. And coming down, you've got this Phillips head screw. It's coming through the center of the body. And this rubber little check valve here. And then on the back end, you look at the stem, you can see how it's kind of squared. Now typically when you see this, initially when you first install this stem, this is going to expand around the screw. So the first time that handle screw goes in there, it can be pretty tight. And we can go ahead and get an overall length of the stem, measuring from end to end. I can get it to hang on there. It looks to be right at about 9 11/16. See if I can find a way to get it up here closer to the camera. And we can also measure that brass cartridge. So measuring from the top of this last O-ring all the way down to the bottom of the cartridge here. We can see that's right at about just over 2 inches, maybe 2 1/8. And once again, this is the BK Mueller 889-557 stem assembly for several different BK Mueller and Proline faucets.